talk about the characteristics of phylum Platyhelminthes. The name Platyhelminthes is derived from the two words, that is platy and helminths. Platy means flat, helminths means worms. So they are the flat worm, or they have flat body, or the body of this organism is dorsoventrally flattened. What do you mean by dorsoventrally flattened? Onto the dorsal side as well as to the ventral side, the body is flat or the body is compressed, because of which they are commonly called as flatworms. So they have flat body, that's why they are called as flatworms. Where these organisms are present? These organisms are present in diverse habitat. Some species are present in the aquatic medium, both in freshwater and marine water, whereas some other species are present in the terrestrial habitat like in the moist soil, and most species of platyhelminthes live as a parasite in the blood, liver, intestine of many organisms including human being. So these platyhelminthes present in diverse habitat. These organisms are bilaterally symmetrical organism, or they shows bilateral symmetry. What do you mean by bilateral symmetry? You can cut the body of this organism into left and right part in a plane passing through the center, or in a single plane passing through the center. You can cut the body of this organism into left part and right part. That is the meaning of the term bilateral symmetry. So they show bilateral symmetry. They are triploblastic organism. Triploblastic means tri means three. So they have three cellular layer, that is outer epidermis, inner gastrodermis, and in between epidermis and gastrodermis you can see parenchyma or a mesenchyme. So three cellular layer is epidermis, gastrodermis, and parenchyma or a mesenchyme. So they have three cellular layer, that's why they are triploblastic animal. They are acoelomate. Acoelomate means without body cavity. So here A means without, coelo means body cavity. Usually body cavity is present between the epidermis and the gut region, whereas in this organism between the epidermis and the gut tissue or the cells are present. So these organisms do not have a true body cavity, or body cavity is not there between the epidermis and the gut. That's why they are acoelomate animals. They show certain organs, or these organisms have certain organs to perform certain function, or group of tissue forms organs in this organism. That's why they shows organ level of organization. Some species of platyhelminthes, especially parasitic form, have certain adaptations like presence of hooks and suckers. So these parasitic forms have special type of structure called as hooks and suckers for the attachment to the host body, or these parasitic form attach themselves to the host body with the help of these hooks and suckers. Apart from that, some of the parasitic form have thick cuticle on the surface of their body, and this thick cuticle protect themselves from the harsh environment which is present inside the host body. So these parasitic forms are present inside the host body, which may consisting of certain harsh environment. So to protect these parasites, they have a thick cuticle on the surface. So this thick cuticle helps them, or they protect from the harsh environment which is present inside the host body. So these are certain adaptations of the parasitic form. If we talk about the different systems in the case of platyhelminthes, first one is digestive system. The digestive system in the case of some species of platyhelminthes is completely absent, or no digestive system is seen in some species of platyhelminthes. Whereas in the case of some species, the digestive system is present but it is incomplete. Incomplete means mouth is present but no anus. That's why digestive system is incomplete in some species. Anyhow, the digestive system is highly branched in the case of platyhelminthes, because of which the nutrients or the digested particle will be distributed to each and every parts of the body. So they have a highly branched incomplete digestive system in the case of platyhelminthes. In some of the parasitic form, the nutrients will be directly absorbed from the body surface or through the body surface of these parasites, because they are present inside the host body. So nutrients from the host body is directly absorbed through the body surface of these parasitic form. So that is about the digestive system. If we talk about the nervous system, they have developed nervous system consisting of a ganglion and nerve cord. If we talk about the excretory system, again they have special cells called as as solenocytes or flame cells, which act as a excretory system. So they have a special type of cell called as flame cells or solenocytes, which helps in excretion as well as osmoregulation, so which is very important. Circulatory system, respiratory system and skeletal system is completely absent in this organism. They have developed muscular system, or they have developed muscles inside their body. If we talk about the reproductive system, the sexes are not separate in this organism, or sexes are united, or both male and female reproductive organs are present in the same animal, or they are hermaphrodite. And these organisms reproduce both by asexual method and sexual method. Asexual method by binary fission and sexual method by formation of a gamete. Fusion of gamete or fertilization takes place inside the body, or fertilization is internal in this organism, and development is direct in some species and development is indirect in some other species, including the larval stages. One more important character of phylum Platyhelminthes is regeneration. What do you mean by regeneration? Regeneration is the ability of the organisms to produce new organisms from their body part. And the best example showing the regeneration capacity is planaria. Say, planaria is broken up or cut down by some means into smaller pieces, and each body piece or each part has the ability to grow new organism, and that capacity is called as regeneration. And the best example showing the regeneration capacity is planaria. So regeneration capacity is one of the unique character or important character of phylum Platyhelminthes. Let me talk about the examples of phylum Platyhelminthes. First one is Tania, which is commonly called as tapeworm, and Fasciola hepatica, which is commonly called as liver fluke. So these are the examples of phylum Platyhelminthes. So that is about the characteristics of phylum Platyhelminthes. I hope this video is useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.